why I chose FAU has like 3 reasons. It can go with the climate here, so good. The beach, so good. And apart from that, the curriculum here is more of industry focused, so which helps me in landing a perfect job that I want. Yeah, actually the classes here are very hands-on, and professors around the campus, they conduct a lot of workshops which connects the theory to the real world applications. Professionally, I'm able to communicate my thoughts and ideas to different communities or the stakeholders actually. So this is the best university where I found the balance between the professional and technical skills we can learn. The transition was really hard for the first few days. Walking to the campus and seeing different faces, I mean they are from different culture actually, and the accent, everything was different. And it took a little longer for me, especially to understand what they're trying to say and how to interact with the people here, but it was fun. The learning process was really fun. So it's almost like 2 years now. So this 2 years was the best 2 years in my life. I had all the ups and downs and it was good.